Henry, I spoke with the owner of a dispensary in Astoria, Queens, who was all set for his grand opening. He hired staff, he purchased merchandise, and then he had to cancel that grand opening twice. Meanwhile, bills for the business keep piling up.
I'm feeling hurt. I'm feeling discouraged. I'm feeling disappointed.
This was supposed to be Jeremy Rivera's dream come true, opening Terp Bros, a legal marijuana dispensary in Astoria. But a recent court ruling has left his future uncertain.
If there isn't a resolution that comes to opening the path to having these doors open, I'm going to go bankrupt, literally.
The expansion of New York's legal cannabis industry was first put on hold earlier this summer after a lawsuit filed by veterans who claimed they'd been left out of the licensing process. The pause on new dispensaries halted Rivera's business days before the first grand opening date.
As you can see right now, every bin is empty.
In a hearing last Friday, Judge Kevin Bryant made an exception for some dispensaries to open, including Rivera's. The grand opening for Terp Bros was back on, but the joy only lasted a few days. By Monday,
we received a phone call from the Office of Cannabis Management that the judge had came back with a decision to uphold the temporary restraining order and that we would not be opening.
As the court case continues, Rivera has no clear guidance on when he'll be able to get the dispensary running. Rivera telling Pix 11 he poured his life savings into the business and the bills keep coming.
There's still rent, there's insurance every month.
Jesse Campo and Moore helped shape New York's cannabis law. He's now a consultant for new dispensaries.
So there's been a lot of confusion and sometimes not the best communication coming from regulators and those that have the information.
The state's Office of Cannabis Management did not respond to our request for a comment. So far, 400 marijuana licenses have been given out across New York State. Only 17 dispensaries have actually opened, Henry.
And Ayanna, are these dispensaries, and it's really heartbreaking. I mean, just to see a business get hit like that, is they being given any sort of timeline?
No, so at this point, both the state and these would-be dispensary owners, they're all waiting for the judge over this case to issue a ruling and to issue more guidance. So for now, everyone can just sit and wait, unfortunately.
And I imagine this is just going to keep continuing that spread of illegal dispensaries. Any information there?
Yeah, nothing seems to be really deterring the opening of new illegal smoke shops. One industry insider I spoke with this week said he estimates there are at least 4,000 in New York City, and that's even after the city council has passed legislation that's supposed to crack down on them, but they seem to just continue to open.
And this hurts producers, this hurts tax dollars. Brutal. Thank you, Ayanna. We'll have you in our panel.